The first step for you is to recognize that maybe in this area, medyo hindi siya okay. Second step is what? To release that. Ano ibig sabihin ng release? Bakit mo kailangan i-release? Kasi energy lahat yan. And this energy, if it continues to be in your space, it's gonna eat you up. Kaya ka pagod. Maraming klase ng release. Some people, they talk about it, release. From there, you don't stop from the release. You go to the third part. You need to reframe. Ano yung reframe? Palitan mo yung pananaw. Ito yung sinasabi mo sa akin kanina. Shifting of mindset. Na-recognize ko yung hirap pala nung ikaw nagtatrabaho, nakatayo ka sa bus na ginagawa na rin before. Now, with this na nangyari sa'yo, anong magandang dinulot nito sa'yo?
Yung mindset ko na parang from negative, nag-shift into positive na parang hindi pala siya ganun kadali.
Mas naintindihan mo sila?
Yes po.
That's reframe. Now, bakit ko sinasabing bumalik ka doon sa recognize and release? Kasi yung reframe, ladies and gentlemen, hindi mangyayari pag hindi mo ni-release ng todo yung emotion. Kasi bit-bit mo siya eh. Now, after reframe, last step is for you to rebuild the relationship. Bakit? Sino bang umatin ng program ng IM Plus?
Ayan.
So, ikaw magdala sa relasyon.